Hey friends, good evening. How you are doing today? All right, I want to make a detox tea for myself, okay? And I decided to make a video of it so that I'll show you guys what I normally take sometimes to detox my system, okay? I have one pineapple, okay? What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the pineapple and peel it. All I need is the skin of the pineapple, okay? Make sure you wash your pineapple thoroughly, okay? Wash it very well. Then you have a lime. You can use lemon. Then I have a ginger. Then I have a 2 bag of tea. You can use any tea of your choice. Then I have bay leaves. Then I have cloves. That's what I'm gonna do. What I'm do first, I'll go ahead and cut my pineapple. I'll be right back. All right, I've cut my pineapple. This is how I cut it. I'm just gonna add it into this pot. As you can see, I have to use the lime. Put it there. All right, I'm done with the lime. Okay, I'll go ahead and keep this on aside. Then my ginger, I'll go ahead and grate it with the skin inside. You can cut it to a little pieces, but I prefer to grate it. I just grate it like this. Then I'm going to add my bag of tea. You can use 3 or 4, depends on what you like. Then my bay leaves, I'm just going to whisk it out. Add it there. Then my cloves also. I'm just going to run water through it. Add it. Then I'll fill it up with water. As you can see, it's all filled up. Then I'll cover it, take it to the fire, allow it to boil for about 10 minutes, okay? All right, guys, the tea is ready. That's how it look like. After boiling for 10 minutes, I strain it, okay? Now I have it in the jar. Now remember the juice. Don't forget about the juice, the lime juice. All you just have to do, pour it inside. Pour inside and stir together. Stir together. Then have your cup of your teacup, whatever cup, and there you go. Make it, if you want to drink it, let it be warm a little bit, okay? I'll go ahead and allow it to warm up a little bit, okay? I've heat it up a little bit, okay? You can drink it like this without adding honey or sugar. Please don't add sugar. You can go ahead and add honey if you want, okay? But for me, I like drinking it without no honey, no or sugar, okay? I just like drinking like this. It might be a little bit bitter because of the lime skin, okay? But you just have to bear it and cheers, okay? Drink it warm in the morning and in the evening. All right, I'll see you in my next one. Have a blessed day. Bye bye. Then what you do, the rest, just cover it up and store in the fridge. Whenever you want it, put some in your cup, warm it up for 10 seconds, then you're good to go. You drink it, okay? If you can handle the taste, don't add honey. Don't even add sugar. Drink it like this, okay? Bye.